Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this channel, we make complex topics simple and easy to understand. Today, we are going to explore the world of accounting conventions. Are you ready to learn how to make sense of financial statements? Stay tuned and watch this video till the end, not to miss out on anything. Let's get started. Historical cost. So, what is historical cost? Historical cost simply means assets are recorded at their original cost. For example, if you buy a new bike for 2000 naira, it's recorded as an asset for 2000 naira in your financial statement. Now let's talk about matching principle. This convention ensures that expenses are matched with revenues. For example, think of it like this. If you spend 500 naira on advertising to promote a product that sells for 1000 naira, you record the expense and revenue together. Materiality. Materiality is another important convention. It means that information is material if it affects decisions. For instance, a 10 naira error in your financial statement might not be material, but a 10,000 naira error would be material. Consistency. Consistency is the key in accounting. It means using the same method and procedures every time. For example, if you always use same method to calculate depreciation on your assets, you will ensure that your financial statements are consistent and reliable. Finally, let's talk about prudence. This convention requires accountants to be cautious and avoid overstating assets or revenue. Let's think of it like this. If you are unsure if a customer will pay their bill, you might record a provision for doubtful debt. Accountants use prudence to prepare for potential risks and uncertainties in their financial statements. And that's it. You have now learned about the 5 key accounting conventions. Remember, these conventions help ensure that financial statements are accurate, reliable, and consistent. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and please like, share, and comment on the topic we have just discussed, or if you want us to explore any other topic of your choice, write the topic in the comment section. If you are watching for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel for more amazing, educative, and informative videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.